Have you ever wanted to save an Instagram reel to your phone but couldn't get the music to download with it? That's because Instagram's built-in save feature doesn't always work with audio. But don't worry, I'll show you the easiest way to download any reel with its original music. And it doesn't even require an app. First, you need to get the link to the reel you want to download. Open the Instagram app, find the reel you want to download, and copy the link. Now, we'll use a free website to download the video with the audio track. We will use Tap Insta website. Once you have found a trusted video downloader website, tap on the text field and paste the link you just copied. Tap the download button, the site will process the link. When it is ready, you'll see a preview of the reel. The video is now ready to be saved to your phone. That's it. This is the most reliable way to get both the video and audio from an Instagram reel.